storm in Zagreb, Croatia, July 19, 2023. The storm caused widespread damage, especially in the Croatia capital.
Isuse Bože dragi.
A powerful storm with strong winds and heavy rain in historic hit Croatia on Wednesday, July 19, 2023. The storm destroyed hundreds of houses, uprooted dozens of trees, and caused a widespread flooding in several areas. The storm was the second in 2 days to sweep over the two countries following a string of extremely hot and dry days. Zagreb, which is the capital of Croatia, was the area hardest hit by the storm. In several amateur videos from residents, you can see the debris of the house flying around, many trees breaking and falling, as well as some furniture from local residents being blown away by the storm. The storm suddenly darkened the sky and brought blinding rain, flash flood, and winds across the Zagreb start at above 4 p.m. It halted the city's transportation, caused power outage, and left streets blocked with fallen trees. Zagreb's emergency service asked citizens to be patient as hundreds of calls for help came in at once. Powerful storms that followed a string of extremely hot days also caused chaos in Slovenia, Croatia, and Bosnia late Tuesday, toppling trees, tearing roofs of buildings, and causing power outage. Emergency service in the three countries reported hundreds of interventions as the storm swept through the region.
Evo vam Zagreb, sred ljeta, svaki drugi dan, treći. Pršeći na sunce nakon...
It also brought a much-sought relief from the heat. Slovenian authorities say tens of thousands of people were left without electricity, and scores of campers evacuated their camps as strong winds overturned their tents on Tuesday night. The greatest damage was inflicted on high-altitude forests, the official SDA news agency reported. Authorities warned climbers in the Alpine country to stay away from those areas.